Need is a piece of paper, scissors, glue stick, and a marker. So the first step will be folding it. So 3 ways, or 3 times. 1 time, 2 times. And then we leave a little bit of gap so that they overlap each other. And now we're gonna glue it. And then fold it over. Now that we have this, we're gonna fold it in half. Fold it in half, like this. And then fold it again, just one side. This way, and then this way. So at the end, you would have this, something like this. Now that we have this, we're gonna draw the scales of the crocodile using the marker, the Sharpie. So you can do this. You can do as much or as little as you want. Just repeat like that. Goes like this. And then we're gonna make the nose, which I already made. So you just take a piece of paper and then you cut it into a shape like this. And then you fold out the bottom for a flap. And then you glue it on too. I'm gonna glue the nose on. So in the front, right there. There we go. And it looks like that. And now we're gonna do the eye. So like this. So you take the green and then there's the white. And then you glue them together and you make the eye. And now you glue it onto the crocodile. So. And that's what it looks like. Or, yeah. Yeah. And then the next step would be making the tongue of the crocodile, which I haven't made. So we have orange paper. We're just gonna cut a strip of it. And then we're gonna draw the shape. And then we're just gonna cut it. And then we have that. And then you're gonna glue it onto right there. That's where I'm gonna glue it. And there you go, you have your crocodile puppet. Here's some ideas that I made. A Pikachu. And I also made a bat. Here, oh. There you go. That's it.